Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today I'm going to make these Birch Bender chocolate cupcakes. I'm going to use this cake mix. I got it at Walmart. And I'm also going to use their vanilla frosting. I want to first taste test this cupcakes. I want to taste test these keto cupcakes. The cupcakes themselves are, it says 5 grams of net carbs. It's got sugar alcohols. Where are the sugar alcohols? It says 14 grams of sugar alcohols. So that's, probably it's erythritol. The first ingredient is almond flour. So that's, the ingredients look really good. They have coconut flour, erythritol. That's the first 3 ingredients. So I am optimistic about the taste. I think they're going to be, erythritol is usually pretty good. So this is, for 2 tablespoons, is 1 net carb, because there's 8 grams of sugar alcohols. The first ingredient is palm oil. Says that it's sustainably sourced, so that's good. And then erythritol and coconut oil. What I also want to test is whether these make my blood sugar go up. So I have a continuous glucose monitor that I got for specifically to do kind of like these experiments like this, so I can test these things out and then tell you what they do to my blood sugar. I don't have type 2 diabetes. My blood sugar usually goes pretty normal, but I've noticed that some things make my blood sugar go up and then it stays elevated for a while, especially if I'm sleeping. So I want to test this and just see how it does. So let's make them. We're going to put the cake mix into the bowl. And it says it makes 8 servings. So I'm going to make 8 cupcakes. Or you can make 1 whole cake, but it would be 8 servings for the cake. So the recipe calls for 3 eggs. It calls for 1/3 cup of oil, but I'm just going to use butter. Same thing. Melted butter, and 1/2 cup of water. Okay, we've got our batter all mixed, and it says 1 8-inch round cake pan, a 9-inch round cake pan, or 10 to 12 cupcakes. Why? Why would it say 10 to 12 cupcakes when it's 8 servings? I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm gonna make 8 cupcakes. So I'm gonna use my scoop so they're all even. Well, I say I'm going to make 8 cupcakes, but we'll see what this scoops out into. We got the batter divided out into 8 cupcakes. So this, it says for 10 to 12 cupcakes, bake for 20 to 22 minutes. So I'm just going to put these in for 20 minutes, and I'll keep an eye on them and make sure they don't overbake. These are going to bake it in a 350-degree oven. Okay, our cupcakes are out of the oven. And they cooked for 20 minutes. So and I let them cool completely. So let's put on the frosting. Each serving is 2 tablespoons. So I have a 2 tablespoon scooper here, so I can do the correct amount. So isn't that just such a great idea? It makes it so much easier to get the frosting on there, and you get a perfect serving. And now I'll just use a knife just to kind of flatten it out. I'm not a baker, so it's not going to be perfect. It's about as good as it's going to get, like that. Okay, so it is 10:30. So let's try one out. I'm going to eat one, and then I'm going to see what it does to my blood sugar, my blood glucose, with my NutriSense monitor. The cake is really good. The frosting, it's got a little bit of that cooling. It's okay. Okay, it has been exactly 1 hour since I ate the cupcake with the icing. The reason why I'm not waiting the full most of the time people wait in 2 hours. The reason why I'm not waiting is because I'm gonna scan my thing. My blood sugar pretty much did nothing. It went up 1 point. So that's pretty awesome if you ask me. So these are perfectly keto friendly, store-bought keto cupcakes with icing. All total for 1 cupcake and 2 tablespoons of icing, it is 220 calories, which is pretty good, especially since it doesn't give me a glucose response. It shouldn't give anyone a glucose response. So anyway, check out these cupcakes wherever they sell Birch Benders at the grocery store. I've seen them at Walmart and Kroger, Target. I'm not, they're not paying me to say this. They have no idea who I am. So anyway, it's an unbiased review. So check them out. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.